Hi guys, it's me again. So for today's video is I'll be doing a what I got for Christmas. My family, I'm so thankful for my family and friends on, giving this to me. And if you guys know me, I love giving that rather than receiving. But anyways, let's just start the video because I have a whole box here and I just put all of them in one big box because I already was trying to put all the gift wrapper on at the trash earlier because it's just this room was just a mess. So what I did is I just put all the presents in one box and I'm just gonna start showing it to you guys. So this video will not gonna be long. And okay, so let's just start here. This is from Naked. My friend Ashley, we're supposed to do like exchanging gifts of the three of us, Stephanie, Amber, and Ashley yesterday, but we had to just cancel it because Amber went to the other state and Stephanie she has her own thing going on. So me and Ashley were just like you said, I'm like, might as well just I want you to open your presents now. Like, I'm excited for you to open your presents. So we just kind of did a little exchange. And so she got me I think I also vlogged that too. I think I was vlogging yesterday, so that you'll see that vlog as well. So anyways, she got me a pair of Muse. You guys, this is so freaking cute. Like, she said, Glenn, this is you in a pair of heels. I'm like, yes girl, that's literally, this is me. Like, if you can describe me, this is literally me. Look how cute, and the height of the heels is not too, it's not too long. It's literally so perfect. And I was like, I put them on yesterday and I freaking love it. It has brown snake print and the nude. You guys know me. If you guys know me, I love my nudes. So thank you so much, love, for these heels. I cannot wait to rock them, and also I cannot wait to wear them on, especially springtime. As much as I want to wear this wintertime, I can't because I'll be freaking freezing to death. And she also got me an anklet. I cannot show you really because it's in my ankle right here, but I'll probably show it later. But she also got me an anklet. I'm not gonna take them off because I freaking love them. They're very simple, but like I said, I'll show it to you guys. It comes with this little dust bag. So yeah, thank you so much, Ashley. I freaking love you and you know me so well. Half of this stuff I don't remember who gave it to me, but we're just gonna roll. Okay, I think this one I know who gave it to me because my husband got this for me. So this is just a little Merry Christmas. It says Merry Christmas cookie. He always calls me sugar baby or cookie baby. It's just our thing. But anyways, there's some cash in here, but I'm not gonna spend this too much. He gave me some cash. Also, he gave me another Versace bright crystal because he knows that I love their perfume so much. I get so many compliments, especially if I'm spraying the bright crystal. So he got me more. So this is a backup. And then he also got me this lighting to USB because I've been wanting get an extra of these because I think it was my car charger. It's I have no idea why Apple always do that. The tip of the charger that always get ruined every single 6 months. I don't know, but yeah, this is a lifesaver because I need more. I was gonna get it at Best Buy and then he was decided well, here, this is, I'm just gonna give it to you because he actually bought a new phone, which is this S20. And I keep telling him just get a new iPhone, but he would not listen. He's more into Android. So, and with the cash that he gave me, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna do another unboxing for that because you'll see. Because I'm gonna do another unboxing because I purchased a bag. Yes, I'm just gonna say that I purchased a bag and I've been eyeing that bag. And like I said, you're gonna see the unboxing reveal, even the name reveal, because this is my first time buying from this brand. Let me know in the comment section box below. I want you guys to guess what I got, the bag. But anyways, moving on, we got some this was in my wish list. This is the electric coffee grinder. Yeah, this was in my wish list, and I am thankful for the people that actually got me this, because they were like watching my videos. Half of my friends were like, oh, what do you want for Christmas? I'm like, well, I made a video, just look at that. So I finally got this coffee grinder, and I've been eyeing some coffee grinder. And since I ordered a coffee, like a whole bean coffee from Blue Bottle, I can actually use this. Oh my god, it comes with a book. This brand is Bodum. I don't know how to, but yeah, we got a coffee grinder. Oh my god, I cannot wait. If you guys know me, I freaking love coffee, and I cannot wait to grind some coffee and make myself a coffee. Okay, next one is of course, somebody gave me a scrub, so it's from Tree Hut, and they really watch me and they know me. Love this Tree Hut. This is the coconut lime. I did purchase. Ooh, this one smells really good. It's very fresh. I can smell like the coconut and lime together. It smells really good. And if you guys know me, you guys know that I love Tree Hut scrubs. It's so good. The next one is this oh, this is like a sleepwear. Oh my goodness. So this is like a set. Oh, hold on. A sleepwear set. So it comes with the shorts, black shorts, and this one right here, the top. I don't know where they got this, but yeah, this is the regular sleepwear, which is, I just got myself like a whole sleepwear. So okay, so moving on, somebody gave me another Starbucks cup. I do remember I purchased one of these, and well, you can never have so many Starbucks cups, but yeah, another Starbucks cup. I love making iced coffee and putting in here, especially also cold brew. Amazing, and I am obsessed with Starbucks. So the next one is, I think my mom-in-law got me this, if I remember. Yes, so she got me a pair of two sets of scrubs. This is a pair of scrubs. It's a set of scrubs. I already have this brand, and I'm thankful because I do need more scrubs. But I do love my how do you call this, the Cherokee brand, and also Figs. They're really good. And yeah, thank you so much, Mom. So yeah, like I said, I just mixed them all together, like all of this like random paper bag. I just like put it in this like big box, and I want to show it to you guys because I wasn't even kidding if I said big box right here. And the box, my friend Clarice got me this. She just gave me so much, and I'm so thankful. And we also did exchange gifts. So all right, so the next one is this candle from Bath and Body Works. So freaking cute. And I think my sister-in-law got me this. This is the Winter Candy Apple. It smells amazing. It smells amazing. And then she also gave me Promises to Bless Your Soul. I think this is the card. This is the 50 encouraging Bible promises with space for a personal message on the back of each card. That is so sweet. Right there. And then she also got me a Champagne Toast Fragrant Mint. And we also got here a Christmas card. I'm not gonna show you because it's kind of like, I don't know if I can say this, but yeah, I got a Christmas card. I'm not just gonna say who gave it to me, but yeah, it's a Christmas card. And also, because I already opened and read the card, it came with a gift card actually. So I already thank them for giving me that, but I can't say the name. Next one would be this boxes of chocolate, which is, I think my friend Clarice got me this. But thank you so much. We also exchanged gifts as well. Ooh, oh my god. How do you know I'm craving for like chocolates? I was literally craving for like sweet chocolates, and she really read my mind, like she did. So we got here. Oh my god, you guys, I'm gonna have a bite of this chocolate because Smells good. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna have just one bite. I'm gonna get this one. It's so good. This is delicious. And it has caramel. I freaking love caramel. I'm gonna hide it from my husband because I'm just gonna get some of this chocolates. My friend really knows me because I love chocolate. I love caramel. I love this brand for Ferrero Rocher, if that's how you even pronounce the name. But oh my goodness, I'm not gonna open it because I want to finish the box first, the other one box first, and then I'm gonna dive in with this one. This is the Golden Gallery box. It's amazing. Oh my goodness. I'm probably gonna end up eating all of these chocolates in one sitting, so good luck to me. Next thing she got me is the mug. She probably watched my videos. But I do love my mug, and I love drinking hot coffee, especially in the morning. And she got me this nice cute pink mug, which says hello gorgeous. So cute. Thank you so much, babe. Okay, so the next one is this Boba or Boba. I think this reminds me of like the Starbucks cup. Like you can put your iced coffee in here, or like just water with ice and lemon. So the next thing that she got me is a set. I think this is the Flamingo Shade Essential gift set. It comes with the daily moisturizing lotion. It comes with a foaming gel, and it also comes with a razor, of course. And if you guys know me, I do love waxing, but sometimes if I get too lazy waxing on my legs, because sometimes I do have like hair on my legs sometimes. Like they're not like a lot, but they're like barely hair. I do like to just like use a regular razor, and I love my Harry's razor blade. But I'm gonna try this because I think I saw this at Target. I saw this gift set at Target, but I'm gonna give this a try. And for the foaming gel, I do love my tree hat, so this one is like also like probably a good alternative, and I wanna like try this. Next one she got me is this pomegranate and cranberry. This is the 100% soy wax candle, and from the brand Everspring. And she got me a frame, which is the 4x6 frame. Okay, so she also got me a lot of, what is this, sheet mask, which is, this is from the brand Body X. Oh, it's a collaboration with Sephora, and it's a butt sheet mask. It's a butt sheet. Wait, why they have this? How do you use this? A butt sheet mask. Interesting. Okay, from the okay, so this is what she got me. A butt sheet mask. She got me 3, of course. And then she also got me the Hydrating Pill of mask. There's 2 actually. So there's lavender and there's, what is this? Pineapple. So lavender and pineapple. She also got me, oh my god, she knows me because I love this. Okay, so there's a couple more. She really went overboard on this exchange gift. You guys, she gave me a notebook, which is like for notes, and she probably watches my videos, and she knows that I am into like notebooks and stuff, and also planning, which is, this will help me as well because I do need like extra notebook. But yeah, thank you so much, babe. And I love the color. I really do. I love the color. She also got me these lashes right here from Miss A. She also got me a butter highlighter, which is from the brand Physicians Formula, in the shade, what shade is this? What shade? Pink Rose. So right there. Last but not the least is she got me a NYX lipstick, and also the butter gloss, and also I think this is lip line, no, not lip liner, lipstick, Milani lipstick. So babe, thank you so much. She gave me a lot. I mean a lot. She really went ham of this exchange gift. And I think last but not the least is, this is the AM to PM Lotte London eyeliner. My sister-in-law got me this. I remember my sister-in-law got me that. Last but not the least is, I used the money out of this gift card to get this. I finally got the Marc Jacobs, the tote bag that I really want, and I've been eyeing. Like, I've been eyeing this tote bag, and you got it. I was there. They do have the one that I mentioned in the video was like bigger than this, but this one, I think this is the mini traveler. This is the tote bag from Marc Jacobs, and I'm just, I don't know, I'm excited because I finally got it, and I've been really eyeing this bag for a while now. And thank God when I went to the mall, I was like making sure if it looks good on me and if it's just the right size of the tote bag. So yeah, and also if you watch my video, like what I want for Christmas is I put the picture, which is like the bigger one, which is like almost to like my size of my Tory Burch Ella tote bag, but I was like, it's quite too big, and I was gonna get it because, you know, I wanna for like traveling or maybe like my work bag, like I can put so much stuff in a work bag, but I'm still like really good with my Ella tote. This one comes with a strap, which is really cute. So it comes with a strap, and the good thing about this, it has a zipper. Like, it came with a zipper. It's not like you're clipped in like some of the bags, but this one has a zipper, which is really good. So hold on, let me just zip. There you go, you can zip. And then for the sling or strap, you can actually unhook them. So if you're not feeling like if you don't want the strap, you can just, like I said, you can unhook them right there. So you just want it as a handbag, or if you want, you can put it back. So I think that is great option, that it's the strap is you can unhook them. Yeah, I think that's it, you guys, for this video, because I don't want this video to be long, and I still have to exchange the gifts that I got for my two friends. And I think what I'm gonna do is, since we're gonna be exchanging gifts soon, is I'm just gonna like show you guys, maybe if I'm gonna do like a vlog, because I don't know when are we gonna meet. I have no clue, but if so, I'm just gonna feature it in one of my vlogs. But yes, I have more actually gift cards in my wallet. So anyway guys, I hope you like this video, and let me know what you got for Christmas, and I will see you guys soon on my next video. Bye.